At New Plas Plastic Industry, we don't just manufacture plastic cups. We set the industry standard for precision, efficiency, and quality. Based in Melaka, Malaysia, with over 20 years of experience, we specialize in PP plastic cups, offering complete solutions from injection molding to high-quality printing, helping businesses elevate their brand packaging. With 2 decades of expertise in the plastic packaging industry, we have continuously invested in cutting-edge technology to enhance efficiency and quality. Our automated production lines, strict quality control processes, and diverse printing techniques ensure every product meets the highest standards of safety and performance. We start with high-quality food-grade PP raw materials processed through precision-engineered molds to create a wide range of cup designs. Our advanced injection molding technology ensures consistent thickness, smooth finishes, and precise dimensions, making our cups strong yet flexible. We manufacture a wide range of products, including bubble tea cups, yogurt containers, iced coffee cups, food packaging containers, and more, all designed to enhance both functionality and branding. Printing is where we bring your brand to life. We offer multiple high-end printing options, including offset printing for simple designs, digital printing for multicolor branding, and advanced in-mold labeling, IML technology, for seamless, scratch-resistant, premium packaging. At every stage of the process, our automated production lines ensure speed, efficiency, and consistency, reducing material waste while maintaining strict food safety compliance. Every product undergoes rigorous testing to ensure durability, heat resistance, cold resistance, and precise color accuracy. From production to delivery, we operate with precision. Our efficient supply chain and logistics network ensure on-time, secure, and cost-effective distribution, helping businesses streamline their packaging needs without compromise. Choose expertise, choose quality, choose New Plas Plastic Industry. Let's create outstanding plastic packaging solutions together. Contact us today. We look forward to partnering with you.